How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. And what about you?
Same here, ma'am. I'm also good. Thank you for asking.
Yeah.
Yes. As we have talked earlier too, but yes, for YouTube, we are talking for the first time. So can you introduce
Yeah,
yours?
yeah, sure. So my name is Ruchi. I'm from Chhatarpur. Chhatarpur is close to Bageshwar town.
Okay.
Yeah. Everybody must have heard about Bageshwar town. And I have also a YouTube channel. And apart from this, I'm a mother of two kids. And if I talk about my graduation, so I did graduation. And apart from this, if I talk about my hobbies, I enjoy stitching the most. Yeah,
Okay.
so that's a bit about me.
That's nice. Nice to hear
May I
about.
know? Yeah,
Yes.
may I know about it, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So my name is Beena Negi. I hail from a beautiful state, Uttarakhand. I have completed my post-graduation. My hobbies are reading and cooking, but nowadays I'm very much passionate about English language. So I'm enjoying listening and watching more and more content in English and speaking with people. And apart from these hobbies, I like dancing too, but I'm not that much good at dancing. So in future, if I'll get a chance to learn a particular form of dance, so I will learn that too. Yes, that's a bit about me. Thank you.
Okay. I am also learning some Garba steps these days. Because, yeah, Navratras is going on, so I have to do Garba. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So, do you know how to play dandiya and all?
Yeah, last year I played one time, but I'm not that much good.
Okay, okay. But yes, you can do dandiya and all.
Yeah.
That's nice. So, ma'am, please tell me when did you start your English speaking journey and how did you start and how is your English speaking journey is going on?
Okay, so I started learning this language uh, in 2023. Yeah, because it's been 2 years. Yeah, October, November month, I started learning this language. And if I talk about how my English journey is going on, so it is going on not that much well, but yes, sometimes I post my solo videos on my YouTube channel because
Okay,
of removing my hesitation and fear. And
right.
sometimes I talked with one-on-one conversation. So
Okay,
that's the way I'm doing these days.
okay. So, how did you start? Means initially, what did you do to improve your speaking skills?
Hmm. Yeah, so when my child was in UKG, so that time I noticed my son was completely unable to understand his book.
How are you? What's your name?
My name is Vedam.
Okay. Wow, ma'am. He also know English very well.
Yeah, yeah, he knows English well. But
Yes.
sometimes when he speaks, so he feel little bit hesitate because where I am, where I live, so most of the people means not most of the people means all of the people speak in Hindi.
Right, right.
So that is the problem. Yeah,
But
he
he
all
has
time speaks in Hindi. Yeah, only I speak English with with him.
right. It means both of you has a partner to speak English.
Yeah. You can say. You can say that.
Right, right. Yes. Okay. So
And
apart from
yes, so
speaking, yes, apart from
yeah,
speaking, what do you do to improve yourself?
yeah. So these days I am focusing on some advanced grammatical structures. So
Okay.
I know each and everything, but when it comes to use between talking,
Right.
so I forget. So yeah, and I'm doing one more thing. When I speak some advanced English,
Okay.
so I take little bit pauses in between, and I speak consciously. I try to speak consciously
Right. I think it's a
because
great thing.
yeah, yeah,
If we take
because I
pauses,
have heard. I, yeah, I have heard this thing from English Yari tutors.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
so yeah,
yes.
I'm applying this thing.
Okay, nice. Yes, I think it's helpful if we are
And
taking
what about you,
pauses.
Bina?
Yes, ma'am. As I have started my English speaking journey in July this year only.
Hmm.
So yes,
Okay.
since July month, I'm consistent in my this journey. Earlier, I also decided to learn this language, but at that time, somehow I lost my motivation and I stopped my English speaking journey there only. But this time, I'm quite consistent, and yes, I'm having conversation with people because my only problem is to speak. I was good
Hmm.
at reading and writing, but yes, my only problem was speaking because I used to get nervous and hesitant while speaking with people. So in July month, I have decided that I should speak with strangers or with real person. Because initially, when I started my journey, I used to talk with myself only, and sometimes I used to talk with ChatGPT. For
Okay.
15 days, I did this thing only because I used
Yeah.
to narrate everything, whatever I used to do at that time, I used to narrate those things. I used to make small sentences with myself only. So, because of that, I gathered some courage that I thought that now I should go with real person, means I should talk with people, real people. So, yes, like that, I saw lots of conversational videos on YouTube and I thought that I should start it too, like this. I should start
Yeah.
to do these things. So yes, I had my first conversation with Meenu Puri ma'am. She is also a tutor, a YouTuber. Yes, so I had my first
Okay.
conversation with her, and yes, I
Menupuri ma'am.
yes,
Menupuri.
Meenu Puri.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
my
I would like to talk to her.
yes, she's very nice.
Definitely.
I can say yes. She makes her learners very comfortable. Yes. So
Hmm.
yes. My first conversation was not that much good. I was very nervous and hesitant at that time. But she told me that yes, as it is your first conversation, so it's obvious to feel quite nervous. But if you will have
Yeah.
15 or 20 conversation, after that you will be confident. So don't worry, just stick
Yeah.
on this routine and try to speak with people every day. So
Yeah.
after listening her, I thought that I should give a try to this thing and I should
Hmm.
be consistent while talking to people. So I did the same thing and her words were like a magic and now I can feel the difference. I am better than before, I can say. Yes, there is a long journey to complete or to
Yeah.
go. But yes, still I can say that now I can convey my thoughts or I can express myself to others. So yes, this is my journey. This was my journey. And apart from speaking, I like reading too. Earlier means I was reading self-help books, but I feel that I'm not interested in those kind of books. These are not my cup of tea. But nowadays, I'm into fictional books,
Yeah.
fictional novels. Yes, so I like
Oh,
fictional novels.
okay.
Yes, and sometimes
I'm
means
not.
I
Yeah. I'm not. Yeah. Sorry for interrupting. I'm not
no,
into reading books, so I can't ask anything about books. Yeah.
okay,
You
okay.
continue. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So yes, and apart from that, I like listening more and more content in English or watching more and more content. People say that you should
Hmm.
watch podcast and other things, but I like kid stories to watch because as we are beginners, so I think it's good to start with small things, to start with kid stories because they are easy to understand. We can easily understand that, and yes, it is quite good to means to retain our interest in that thing because if
Yeah.
we are
That's.
listening or watching any story, so it's quite easy for us to retain our interest. So because of that too, I prefer kid stories to watch and listen. Yes, sometimes I also watch conversational videos. Yes, that's a
So,
bit.
okay,
Yes,
so a question has come in my mind. So, what is
okay,
more important? Means reading, listening, speaking, and one more thing I forgot.
writing.
So, what is
Right.
more important if you are beginner? You have to just start speaking English.
I can say that listening. If we are a complete beginner, so listening is the most important thing.
Hmm.
And with listening, we can start speaking too. Yes, initially we will make mistake. Initially we will fumble, we will hesitate or nervous. But yes, it's good to start with listening and speaking too. If we
Yeah,
are listening
but
proper content in English and try to we are trying to speak to in English, so yes, that will be helpful for us. Yes,
most of the people speak that if you are a beginner, so listening must important. By listening, you can learn English and you can speak English too. But in my opinion, when I started learning this language, so yeah, I used to listen so many kids say stories. Like
okay,
if I talk about particular channel names, so Pontun Kids and Kids Hut. But
okay,
that time I didn't even understand a single sentence.
okay,
And
yes,
then I quit that listening things, and I started focusing on learning some small grammatical structures.
right,
And
right,
then after 5 to 6 months, I was able to speak a little bit with my kids after
right.
that.
Right. I
Yeah.
think, yes, grammar part is also important. I will not say that each and every rule of grammar is important, but basic tenses
Yeah,
and
basic.
vocabulary, you must know these things.
Yeah,
So, yes, tenses are very important, I can say.
yeah. You
Yes.
you don't believe, Veena,
Yes.
in 2023, I didn't even know after subject we have to put the helping verb, and after that we have to put the object or like this.
Right.
So I didn't know this thing, and I didn't try only listening and speaking. First of all, listening and then speaking. It was not cup of my tea.
Right. But now you have progressed a lot, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
I think,
And one more question. Most of the people say this thing that English learning English possible is only within 3 months or 4 months. So, what do you think? Is it really possible? I'm not talking about just fluency. Yes, if
right.
some people says yes, fluency can be achieved within
Right.
3 months and 4 months. Yes, it is possible. If the person don't know anything, if the person doesn't know anything about English, so is it possible to learn English within 3 months or 4 months?
I also don't think so, ma'am. If a person is absolute beginner, so we can't say that he will be fluent in English in just 3 months. It will take time.
Yeah,
Yes, yes. Maybe they will be able to speak some sentences or yes, but he cannot be fluent
yeah,
in
yeah,
language. And as if this language is not their mother tongue or their native language, so yes, it's not possible, I can say. But yes, if a person is just living in this environment where English is his native language or mother tongue, so yes, it can be possible. It could be
yeah.
possible. But yes, if we don't have any partner to speak and we are just starting our journey, means we are learning everything from in those 3 months, so it's quite difficult. I can
Mhm.
see that. Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
right,
And yes, when I started learning this language, so that time I used to watch lot of videos, and I used to think how people learn this language within 3 months or 4 months. Why I can't? Why I am unable to learn this language within 3 months or 4 months? But after expanding lot of time with this English language, then I
right,
got to know, yeah, this is only the fake. Yeah, if people know grammar, only then if they have to achieve the fluency,
right.
only then they will be perfect within 3 months or 4 months. Otherwise, no. Yeah.
Yes, you are right. You are absolutely right. Yes, maybe if a person is giving their 10 to 12 hours in a day to this language, so he might be fluent in 3 months, we can say. But yes, as we have to manage other things too with this language or with our learning process. So yes, for us, it's quite difficult to learn this
Yeah.
language in 3 months.
Yeah.
Yes,
And one more thing I realized, initially when I started speaking this language, so whenever I used to speak, so I used to speak consciously. Okay, I have to speak in English this standard. I don't have to speak in Hindi. And it's been around 1 year. 1 year I spoke the sentences by consciously. Yes, I have to speak English. I have to talk with my children in English. I don't have to use Hindi like this.
right, right. Initially, we have to pressurize ourselves to
Yeah,
speak.
pressurized. Yes. Yeah.
Yes, yes, because it's not our native language, so it will take
Yeah.
time. And initially, we have to pressurize ourselves. And yes, after some time, we will
Hmm.
be able to speak in this
Ah,
language
yes.
naturally. Yes,
Yeah. Yes, we will be habitual. If we do anything daily, so we will be habitual to do that
right,
thing.
right. Yes,
And, yes. Okay, so
so
one more question. What
yes,
is the famous dish of Uttarakhand?
yes.
I
There are
know
lots.
about temples a lot.
Okay,
I just want to know
okay.
this.
So as we are Uttarakhandi, so we love means simple food. We love simple food. So there are
Okay.
no fancy foods which are famous here, but yes, there are lots of simple food means like ghar ka khana, which is famous here, like
Hmm.
aloo ke gutke, which we call means in a desi language zira aloo.
Jeera. Okay.
Yes, and
So,
pahadi
first of all,
raita.
yeah. So
Yes,
how to make jeera aloo? How to make? What is the process?
means we boil potatoes and
Yeah.
after peeling them we cut them and yes we means like we as we make a normal vegetable. Yes,
Okay.
but
So
we
the first
add
we have
water.
to. Yeah, we have to in wok put some oil and put some
Yes,
cumin and
yes,
green chili.
yes,
Yeah. After that, yeah. Okay. Okay.
yes, yes.
I
We
also
have
make. Yeah.
right, 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 right. So pahadi raita is there and bhatki churkani, maas ka chaisa, aloo ki thichwani, and there are a lot of food I can say which are famous here, and people
Yeah.
love this. And madue ki roti. Maybe you know about ragi.
Yeah. I know. I know.
Yes, that is
Ragi, bajra. I know. Hmm.
yes, ragi ki roti is also famous here, and there are some sweets which are famous here, like bal
Hmm.
mithai.
Okay, bal mithai. Yes, I have heard about this bal mithai.
Yes, yes. It has a chocolate color sweet, but it has white seed around it.
Okay,
Yes. And singori.
Singapore.
Yes.
Okay,
It comes in a leaf. We wrap this sweet in a leaf. Leaf. Yes. Yes.
okay.
Yes.
So which
So
kind of leaf?
I don't know about that leaf properly, but yes, it's a green leaf. I don't know the name of that leaf or
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
no worries. Yeah.
yes,
So,
yes.
you are vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
I'm vegetarian, ma'am.
Oh, completely vegetarian.
Yes.
Yeah. Are vegetarian?
No, no,
No?
I do not
Yeah.
eat egg.
Same here. Same here. I'm
Yes,
completely vegetarian.
yes. I
So my
initially I
husband
had
sometimes eats egg. Yeah.
yes. Initially I used to have eggs too, but yes, since my graduation days, I have left egg eating eggs too.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Is there any special
No, no, it's not like
reason
that.
why?
But I didn't like the smell.
Yeah, it's well, yeah.
Yes.
Smell is the
Because of
biggest
that,
problem.
yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Because of that only, I left eating
Yeah.
egg. Yes. So, what is your favorite dish? Are you a
Uh,
foodie or are you someone who is very health conscious?
yeah, I'm very health conscious, first of all. Yeah, I'm very health conscious. Because if I increase a little bit weight, so I don't feel like energetic.
Right.
I feel like lazy all the day, and I don't feel like doing my household chores or all the things.
Okay.
So I always keep maintaining my weight.
Wow. So, what are you doing to maintain your weight?
Mummy. Yeah, so when I gain a little bit weight, 2 kg or 3 kg, so I start eating khichdi and salad.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
So, does it
Okay.
work for you?
Yeah, yeah. Obviously, it works.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Wow.
should try. If you gain weight, so you should definitely try this thing.
So, do
This
you
thing really helps. Yes.
okay? So, do
Mama.
you also think
Mama.
about the quantity? Means how much quantity you have to take of that khichdi?
No, I just make thin khichdi as much
Okay.
as possible. I make thin and I just eat. Yeah.
Wow. 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 So, do you also do any kind of exercise or something like that?
And no, I don't do any exercise because of the timing problem. But yes, whenever I gain some weight, so I start dancing
Wow.
because we when we dance, so so we can reduce so many fats, so much fats.
Right, right. I think dance is also a kind of exercise, we can say.
Yeah, yeah, literally,
It
literally.
also burns our calories.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
In
I
2 days,
also
2 days afternoon, I did because I was just thinking this. I have gained some weight, so I did. Yeah, that's why I'm sharing with you.
right. I think whenever we put some weight or whenever we are not doing any workout or like as you are saying dance and all, so I think I feel exhausted mentally too. I don't
Yeah.
feel mentally too. So not only for our physical health, but for our mental health too.
Hmm.
These exercise and dance are important, I can say.
Yeah, yeah. And you don't believe when I did some dance. After that, I felt after 1 hour, I felt like hungry a lot.
Wow.
Yeah.
Because it burns our calories and we need extra energy then.
Yeah.
Yes, right.
So Tina, so can we wrap up the session for today? Because I
Yes,
have
yes,
some work.
sure.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. It was a great session with you, ma'am. I
Yeah.
enjoyed a lot.
Okay, so I'm here.
Okay.
And I would like to connect with you again.
Same here, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye, ma'am.